Hi guys, it's Minahil Jafri here.
It's Louisa Jaffrey here.
Happy Resolutions Day. Today we both are here to do a slime challenge for Resolutions Day. And our flag's color is green and white. So we thought we should add golden color instead of adding white color in our slimes, because white color should be boring and would be boring, sorry. And so the way it works is we have to pull out these jets, and whatever it says we have to put it in our slime. So that's gonna be fun.
Let's roll the clip.
So the first step is you have to add the glue in your bowls.
Put as much as you want.
Okay. Let's add the glue.
I'm putting my all the glue.
Look at the funny sound. Oh, sorry, listen the funny sound. That's enough. Paint brushes to mix it. Or is it a little bit bubbly because it was almost end up. So now let's pull out all these chits and see what we got. Guys, we decided that I am going to go first. So let's see. I got clear gel.
I got lotion.
Let's put it in. Here's the clear gel. Wait a second. Guys, we added the all stuff, and now we decided we are going to wear gloves because it is going to be very messy work. Guys, let's start mixing. Now let's pull out the next chit. Guys, I'm gonna this one. Please be the best, finger crossed. Rubber bands. Focus. Yup.
Perfect sprinkles.
Let's put it in. Here are there. Now we are going to put it in.
Let's mix it.
It's looking like rainbow soup. Now let's see what's next. So now we are going to pick it up. Okay. Yes.
Gold glitter.
And I got pink glitter plus stars.
Okay.
Guys, we added the pink glitter. Now we are going to mix it. Focus, focus. Okay, now it's okay. Mine looks so colorful. Sorry, colorful. What's wrong with my tongue? Guys, now we are going to choose the coloring. We don't have the gold coloring or green because green is finished, and now we decided that we are going to put the wait. We are going to put the eye shades in it. So let's put it. I got gold eyeshadow.
I got green eyeshadow.
Let's put it in. So guys, we added it in, and my sister's eyeshade looked blue in the camera, but it's green. Let's mix it. Look at the color. It's beautiful.
And mine is also blue.
And now we are going to add some more things, maybe. No. The jets are finished, and now we are going to add the activator. Why my color looks orange? But it's okay. Let's just put out the let's just put the activator. We are using this shaving cream as the activator, but if you don't have this, it's okay. You can add lens water or you can use detergent powder. Let's mix it up.
It's sticky.
Yes. Ignore all those voices at the behind because we are making this video at the daytime, so it's a lot of noisy. My slime's color is not looking good. It's not looking like golden.
Ma, it's so good.
It's looking golden in camera, but it's actually looking orange in here.
My slime is
Let's put a little bit more shaving cream because it's sticky. Now let's mix our slime. Wow, it's really big.
Ma, it's really small.
It's okay. Look, it's already sticking with the brush. Look at this. Oh. Now we're mixing it with our full power because it's not mixing in, it's sticking with the bowl. Let's dig in with our hands. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at this. This is so big.
Mine is so small.
Mine is
Bad
ready.
luck.
Now we are going to put it in its container. Guys, now we are going to dig in with our hands. Wow, stretchy.
My also.
It's best slime. Look at this. Now let's put it in their containers finally. Now let's poke our fingers in it. Wow.
My slime is little bit small.
And it's the best slime ever. You could see it. Guys, hope you enjoy our video, and please subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my friend's channel. It's on the screen. And if you want to check out my brother's channel, it's also on the screen.